Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete images from gallery in Midjourney. So it's very simple guys, but there is one takeaway from this. Key point is Midjourney currently does not support deleting images via its web app, but it is possible, and the only way to delete these images is go over to Discord and in Midjourney by reacting on your image, so let's say this one, and add reaction, then view more, and then type X. And by reacting with this X, as you can see, it has deleted it. But in your gallery, when you refresh, as you can see, it is still there. But it will disappear by 15 to 20 minutes, so be patient. It takes a while to sync to the web app. So, as I said, 15 to 20 minutes and this image will be gone. So thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And check my other tutorials on Midjourney in this playlist. So thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.